Hey guys, Travis Edmonds. I'm with Lincoln Electric and I'm out of the pipe group. Today we're going to be talking about our pipe liner LHD, specifically when to split. All right, LH is low hydrogen, D is a downhill rod. Okay, we're going to break the pipe into three different sections: the top, the side, and the bottom. So this doesn't run like your cellulosic. It runs a lot hotter and faster. So taking into consideration when to split, let's think about the bottom first. You have to go fast across the bottom, and there's another video explaining that. All right, on the sides too, you got to go pretty quick. So when I decide to split, I'm thinking about that at the top. All right, let's get into it. And here we have two 4mm stick electrodes. Lincoln recommends not weaving any wider than the width of the coating, 2 times the width of the coating, so about right here. And as you can see, the weld I put underneath, that's pretty close, okay? But there's the three things I want to take into consideration: the top of the pipe, the side, and the bottom. All right, so if I'm welding up at the top of the pipe, it's a good gap for a weave, okay? As I come down the side of the pipe, that puddle's going to be chasing me. I'm going to need to speed up a little bit. Still might be manageable, but what I need to take into consideration is the bottom. It's going to be hard to carry that puddle across the bottom, so that's going to help me determine when to split. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate the proper way to split. As you can see, I'm focusing the electrode into the sidewall. Not much rod manipulation, just working down the pipe. Favoring one side, keeping in mind I have to put in a second pass next to it. As you see, I put my first split. I kept in mind leave enough room over here for my second split. All right, if this closes up and it's too tight, just run your 1/8 cutoff wheel through there. If not, you run the risk of trapping slag. All right, let's fire off and put in that second pass. If you have any questions about this product or any other Lincoln Electric product, go to lincolnelectric.com.